How to work with Amp Designer in Logic Pro X. Amp Designer is obviously meant for guitars typically. However, I tend to add it to whatever I want. Sometimes it's vocals, sometimes it's pianos, sometimes it's other instruments. I just find it's a good way to amp sound and alter it and give it that vintage feel sometimes. I'm gonna have to lower the volume here because it does bump it up quite a bit. We'll turn it off and then just audition it on and off and go through some of these real quick. You guys got all these bass, mids, treble, depth, etc. I'm not going to go through changing all the knobs and settings. You guys get them. They're pretty simple. It's just as an easy way to go through and audition a bunch of them. I like that. So let's bring the rest of the beat back in now. Let me lay an actual guitar. Remember shortcuts, pressing Y to get to our instruments. Go in here, guitar. Yeah, I just want a quick acoustic. Ooh. Not really much more to it. You do have your drop downs. You do have more control over everything than I'm showing you here. This is just a quick walkthrough. No need to go through every single setting. Okay, we don't need to keep going with this. I'll stop right there. That is a quick way to use the Amp Designer on any sound you want and get more oomph out of it, get more grit out of it. Next lesson.